What's going on, guys? Welcome back to your 6th C++ tutorial. In this lesson I want to talk to you guys about something called the if statement. If statement is basically a simple way to have your computer program make a simple decision, and before moving in complex programs we will today make a very simple program. We will build a simple program and it's pretty much just ran after ran, line and line, and just again ran after line of codes. Sometimes we want to have our computer program make a simple choice. For example, we can say that you have a code and you want to run sometimes, and you are saying, alright, why should I even put it in there if I only want to run it sometimes? Well guys, for example, if there are three partners of a business and I wanna just say that I want to look at when Jessica logged in. So there are three partners named Jessica, Tommy and Wajahat. So I just wanna see that when the Jessica logged in, I just write here the statement if Jessica logged in, just show me hi Jessica. And I don't wanna see that when Tommy or when Wajahat say logged in. So guys, we can say that we will just write in the keywords between parentheses and now go on and put only curly brackets. So here we can say that write if statement. Now first of all we will initialize the variable. We wanna say variable x equal to 20. So move on and write here if statement if variable named x. Okay, first of all I will tell you that as in the last tutorial we learned that we only when that our test is true, then this statement or this in the curly brackets will run here in this curly brackets. So I wanna just say that if our test is true, then this code of lines would be run. We can say that if x is equal to 20. Oh no, this is wrong, I think so. Why? Because in here we are just have one variable equal to 20. So we now have a test to see this variable is equal to 20 or not. So in order to match we use the comparison operators. So we are hearing just assigning a single value to our variable, and if we want to test that we use the double operator here along with this variable x. So we gonna just say that if x equal to 20, we can just print it on the screen in the double operators. Wow, you are looking beautiful. You are looking beautiful. So guys, as we know that we have put our variable equal to 20 and we are also saying here testing it, so it should print on the screen, wow, you are looking beautiful, and placing a semicolon at the end. So compiling it again, I'm just building it. There are no errors. Now I will just run it going ahead, and wow, it's written that wow, you are looking beautiful. Again, to make it beautiful we can shift it to the next line by putting just n line at the end. Now building it, no errors, no warnings. Now run it. Wow, you are looking beautiful. So now guys, I will just we wanna say that here the variable x is equal to 20. We can also operate it with different comparison operators that are equal to 20, less than equal to 20, less than 20, greater than 20, or not equal to 20. So now we know that the test is 20 is proved. So go ahead and write x is less than 20. So as we are saying that our test should fail because x is equal to 20, is not less than 20. So let's hope and build it, and now running it, it's nothing on the board because our test is failed. Here we are saying that x is greater than 20, and here the test fails, so nothing written on the screen. So guys, we can just comparing it with the other variables. So it means that x is equal to 20, not less than 20, or we just want to say that x is greater than 20. Then it should print on the screen that wow, you are looking beautiful, but x is not equal, it's not greater than 20. So it should, our test should fail. I'm just building it, then we are running it, again the same result, because x is not greater than 20, x is equal to 20. So now we want to say that x is greater than and less than and equal to 20. So just building it and running it. So here we say that well, you are looking beautiful because x is less than 20. One statement is wrong, but I'm just either this statement is x is less than and equal to 20, and up here we are just in lesson A. So going ahead and printing it on the screen that you are looking beautiful. Or if we change this statement x is greater than equal to 20, then again it should print, because guys we are just initializing a variable x equal to 20, and here we are saying that x is greater than. It's wrong till here, x is greater than 20, but we are assigning x is greater than and equal to 20, which means that it should print on the screen. So just building it and runs. So here wow, you are looking beautiful, again printed on the screen. So if we just say that x is not equal to 20, we will put the exclamatory mark, x is not equal to 20. So it should not be written on the screen now, because x is equal to 20. Our test is failed. As we discussed that when our test is failed, nothing would be written on the screen. So guys, now I'm just running it. Nothing is placed on the screen because our test fails. So guys, we are just putting here one variable and testing it with the values of the variable. So if we wanna say that we will test with the two variables, we can write here int y, we can take anything, equals to 10 semicolon, and then we just say that if x is, we just rub it, if x is greater than y. Now we are comparing two variables, and here we know that x value of x is 20, and value of y is 10. So 20 is greater than 10. It's true. So our test is true. So it should be printed on the screen. Press any key to continue. Along with wow, you are looking beautiful. So our test is true, and it's printing on the screen. Wow, you are looking beautiful. Press any key to continue. And we see that for test, if our test fails, so we can test two numbers along with the two variables, or we can say that two numbers here, just putting here if 2 is greater than 1, it's true. So it should be printing on the screen. Wow, you are looking beautiful. Building it, no errors, it's written on the screen. Wow, you are looking beautiful. So as I say that if statement is just a basic decision by a computer, we're gonna say that it should just give us, if we have different choices, different routes, and we just wanna see the one statement along with us, we are not concerned with others, so we put there if statement that if that test is true, then this should be printed on the screen, or this program, the part of the program runs. Or we just say that if 4 is greater than 6, now our program is failed, our test is failed. So if I just build it and runs it, then nothing on the screen, because if 4 is greater than 6, wrong, our statement is wrong, our test fails, nothing written on the screen. So guys, in the end I was just gonna say that in this tutorial we learned that what is if statement and how can we use it to make a simple basic decision, or in simple technical term, whenever our test is positive we call that true test, and whenever negative we call it fake. So code inside if statement is only gonna run when our test is true, and when it is fake it's not gonna run. So guys, now you are pro with if statement, And in the end, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe the channel, and yeah, see you in the next tutorial.